hold it up.
There's 3 of them in there, 3 different ones.
Let me see.
Go to the next one.
I'm trying to do it. I'm bouncing my foot.
Right to it. Oh my gosh.
Huh? Oh.
Oh my gosh, it's sewing stuff. So cool.
Do you sew?
You don't know how to sew.
Yeah.
That's for me.
No, it isn't. It's my birthday.
How'd that get in there?
Well, what's it for though?
I wonder what you need sewing stuff for.
Sewing.
I probably was supposed to give that to your mom.
No, you weren't.
What's in there?
I know,
You know, I know.
Oh, it's a sewing machine! Oh my gosh! Ah!
It's a real thing too,
Oh
Aubrey.
my gosh. Oh my gosh.
God love her.
It's a sewing machine.
That's your very own sewing machine.
Wow.
Now you know
Sit
what?
up. Let me
You
take
can-
a picture.
Drama queen.
Sit
Yeah.
up.
I think I faded.
Yeah.
Here, let me see.
Grammy wants an apron.
Ready? Hold
I
it
want a
up.
sewing machine. I got one.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's a one like mine.
That's a good one,
Hold it
baby.
up so I can
Me
see.
and Mom are going to be twins with the sewing machine.
Can you
Alright,
make me a
ready?
suit?
1, 2, 3, smile.
Yeah.
Now I want to open yours again.
All right.
This is a turtleneck.